wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best airbrush kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Iwata-medea Deluxe set is a professional quality choice that provides a consistent spray for even applications. The high-detail, multi-purpose brushes perform well on a variety of surfaces and give you the control needed for even the smallest designs. It includes a cleaning formula and a handy R-Tool freehand template. However, it doesn't have a regulator. At number 9, the versatile 2-in-1 Badger 360-7 can be used for all kinds of projects, from touching up makeup to decorating t-shirts. It features a patented front-end rotational seal that allows for either gravity or siphon feed usage, depending on your preference. It can create lines up to 3 inches wide and is made in the United States, but it doesn't include a compressor. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the premium Iwata-medea Eclipse is a smart choice for those looking for a lightweight, portable model. Its gravity-feed gun features a 0.35mm needle and nozzle combination for fine detail spraying, and it requires very little maintenance. It comes with a large funnel-shaped cup and sprays heavy acrylics well. However, it doesn't come with any paints. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for airbrush kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you've got a creative mind and a sweet tooth, the Master Cake Decorating Set can help take your desserts to the next level. It comes with 12 bottles of food-grade colors and a training book to get you started. It's great for both home cooks and professional bakers. The dies are FDA approved and it includes 2 types of nozzle, but the motor runs a bit hot. Moving up our list to number 6, makeup artists on a budget will appreciate the affordability of the Art of Air Professional. It's well built, provides a nice consistent spray, and comes with a carrying case, a variety of foundations, a bronzer, and a shimmer highlighter. The pressure is easy to control and assembly is very fast. However, the included makeup isn't waterproof. Halfway up our list at number 5, the gocheer Mini Dual Action is a compact and portable option that's ideal for use on the go or as a backup to your primary set. Its low-profile compressor has a small clip to hold your brush when you're not using it. It offers a maximum pressure of 25 psi and can hold 7 cubic centimeters of paint, but it's not the best for large projects. At number 4, the paasche Single Action is an excellent option for newcomers to the craft. It comes with clear instructions and a set of brushes for keeping it clean. 3 different spray heads allow you to use it for a wide range of applications. It doesn't make too much noise and is simple to operate. It's made from durable materials. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Master Multi-Purpose Professional includes a useful instructional guidebook for those just picking up the hobby and a 5-piece cleaning brush set for easy maintenance. It also provides a color mixing wheel to help you create just the right shade. It comes with cleaner and a reducer, 6 paint colors, and a 2-year warranty on the compressor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for airbrush kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Pointzero Dual Action is a good choice for beginners who plan on working with a range of media. It comes with 3 different guns, so you'll be prepared to handle a wide variety of projects, and its 6-foot-long hose leaves you free to move around. It includes a tutorial DVD, great tips for cake decorating, and a professional-grade compressor. And coming in at number 1 on our list, designed for serious artists looking for a quality machine, the Grex Tritium uses a premium double-action piston-style trigger that's known for its high performance and versatility. It offers a smooth and consistent spray, giving users great control. It's easy to switch between brushes and is equipped with a moisture trap. It comes with 7 and 15 milliliter reservoirs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for airbrush kits, or simply click beneath this video.